What's up, guys? Welcome back to Make Life Easy with Faith. It's your girl Faith Odhiambo. On this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to wash your microwave. Like, if you have a microwave at home and you're wondering how will I wash it, it has oil like all around, and when you try using the water and soap, it does not get clean easily. This is the video for you. So you'll need some water. I have some water here, and then I have pieces of lemon, a lemon that I've just cut into pieces. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put the lemon pieces into my water, just as simple as you can see. And then that's it. And then I'll just put this in my microwave. Then I'll just connect it to a source of power, switch it on. Then I'm going to heat it up for 5 minutes. Let me just set the 5 minutes real quick. There you go, it has gone to 5.5 minutes, so that's okay. So I'll let that heat up, or I'll let that water heat up for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and clean our microwave. Guys, our 5 minutes or 5.5 minutes are over, and I'll just go ahead. You can see the steam that is coming out. I'll go ahead and remove this. It's so hot. Guys, I don't know if you can see some stone particles in this water. Yes, those ones, that is what the lemon and the water does when you heat it up in your microwave. That is the cleaning that I'm talking about. Then at this point I can go ahead and just wipe all the dirt. Comes out very easily. I should switch this off. So I just have a basin of water here that I'll use to wipe. Imagine it's that simple. My microwave is now spotlessly clean. Like, I don't have any oils that I should be worried about. It's spotlessly clean and I love it. Let me know if you have learned something today. Just let me know on the comment section what you think. Remember, this is Make Life Easy with Faith. Remember to like, share, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that you always get notified anytime and every time we upload any new video. Until the next one, I must say for now, bye bye.